Hello, today I'm going to show you how the high limb chainsaw machine is going to work. It's a hand-held chainsaw, and I'm in deepest rural Bulgaria, and I've got to trim a large tree today. The tree in question is here, very large. It's a silver birch, approximately about 45 meters tall, and some of the branches up here I've got to trim. It's overhanging the roof, as you can see, and producing a lot of debris on the gutters. So to avoid that happening and the gutters getting overflowing and leaking into the house, I've got to trim some of these branches. So first thing I do is I get a rope, and I'm obviously doing this on my own, and I need to make sure the tree branches fall away from the house and the gutter. So therefore I've used a rope and tied it up onto another tree and made it very tight. So as I do it, I will pull that more tighter and tighter so it falls away from the house. So that's the first thing. So the contents of the bag contain a throwing bag, the rope and the chain, and of course some instructions. American made, so should be strong. So let's see how it goes. The next stage, you see, we now have the chain attached to the rope around the tree, and at a 45-degree angle I'm going to now attempt to start cutting it. Now you can see the yellow rope is attached to the chain. The chain is wrapped around the branch, and I'm about to pull it at an angle of about 45 degrees and see how it goes. Okay, you can now see I've cut it now down neatly against the tree trunk. The next problem is I'm going a bit higher up and a bit difficult to throw the bag up. So what I've done is I put a drain rod attached to the red throwing bag, and then I'll be able to lean across to it and put it onto the branch, and then I'll be able to manage to arrange the chain rope to be on the branch that I want. Okay, here you can see the nice cut I did earlier, but since then, a bit of a disaster. On other trees, where these sort of trees here, I'm finding it incredibly difficult. It keeps dragging itself, getting stuck in the bark. So much so, I think the best course of action is now to try and start an eBay and get rid of it. It's too much trouble. I spent about an hour today trying to sort this out. It's just not worth it. Okay, there you go. That's my review. Don't buy. Looks good, but crap, really. Doesn't really work unless you're a really strong chap, which I'm not. So here you go.